In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scan barcodes into Excel without the use of VBA. Now, a barcode scanner that you buy can either be connected to your computer through a number of ways. You can connect it to the network, you can use Bluetooth, or you can just use a USB plug-in. But it doesn't matter how it's connected. Anything that's scanned in to the computer on the active Excel sheet, the selected cell will automatically go in there. And the computer doesn't know whether you scanned it in or whether you've typed it in. Most scanners have automatically have return. So when you scan something in, it automatically presses return. So I've set up something here. So I have a scan in sheet and a scan out sheet, and I have my master inventory. And I have 4 products here in my master inventory. So let's scan in something else. So I'm going to scan in 4444. Now I could be scanning it in or typing it in. And here we go. It brings up the description. And now if we go to our master inventory, it has scanned in one there. Now I have a scan in sheet and a scan out sheet. So let's take that 444 out of here. So I'm going to type 444. And there you go. The orange thing is now taken out of inventory. Now, if you notice when you scan in, automatically I've got this set up in a table. You have the next one ready. So I could scan in, keep scanning in. I could scan in 50 items here without any problem. And it would automatically tell you, make sure that you're putting in the right thing. And then it would automatically take it out of your inventory or add it to your inventory. So how I did this. Now, basically, I just have a table on each page. And these tables, if you click on the table, I've named these tables. So let's click on, we're in the table, and I go to table design. And this table is called scan in. The next one's called scan out. And the third one is called master inventory. Okay, so what I do is I scan in here. And then what it does is I have a formula here set up. Basically, it's an X lookup. So it's looking up product ID, and it's going to my master inventory and looking for product ID. And master inventory, it's going to bring back the description. And if you don't have anything in there, so let's say I put in 9999, I know that I don't have, you're going to have not found. So that way you know that if you've scanned in something that you don't have an inventory. Basically, it's the same thing for this one. Exactly the same thing. I'm looking it up. But the difference is that my master inventory, I have the quantity in and the quantity out. So you have to set up your products on the first sheet, or the sheet here, the master inventory. And the quantity on hand is basically quantity in minus quantity out. And the quantity in comes from your scan-in sheet, and your quantity out is coming from your other sheet. I will include a link to this file so you can get started. Please subscribe.